It's just crazy. Good morning everyone and welcome to Phnom Penh, the capital city of Cambodia. And let's just say it's a very alive city, to say the least. We are now actually at the Genocide Museum. We're about to head in. I'm joined today with Paul, new roommate we met yesterday. And yeah, we'll be seeing, I guess, the most important things here in Phnom Penh today. I think I'm like an hour in at the moment, and damn, this is some real heavy stuff, like for real. So crazy to see what actually happened here and to walk like through the rooms, see the pictures, and oof, I knew it was going to be heavy, but it definitely exceeded my expectations. This is definitely not like a fun thing to do, but I feel like it's so important to at least know and experience this, to I guess know what the people have been through and what happened here. Alright, that actually marked the Genocide Museum, and damn, that was really heavy, as Paul is discussing with a tuk-tuk driver. Yeah, if you're in Phnom Penh, you should definitely go and visit this museum. Like, it's heavy. I think it will stay with you for the rest of your life, but something I really think you should visit. Would you recommend it?
Recommend it? Yeah, probably. It's pretty like heavy.
I don't remember. We have right at our next stop the Genocidal Center, also known as the Killing Fields, which will be even more daunting after what we heard at the previous stop. So. This place feels so grim too, and they also tell like some quotes from Pol Pot, for example. Like the one they just said was, "Better to kill an innocent than to spare a traitor by mistake," I think, or something like that. That kind of philosophy is just crazy. Here is the magic tree. Imagine needing a tree with a loudspeaker just to avoid the other people from hearing the moans of the victims while they were being executed. That's so crazy. That's so crazy. And here we have the last stop, which is actually the Memorial Stupa, which is the biggest memorial of the Khmer Rouge here in Cambodia. Definitely gonna have a look inside, as there are a lot of bones. Alright, so that was the Killing Fields. Whew. That was a heavy one, mainly after the things we saw earlier, but I guess it all just doesn't make sense. But I mean, you can really paint like a full picture right now, so I guess that's definitely been very informative and wouldn't say nice, but eye-opening. So let's just call it that. So now we have our tuk-tuk drive back home, back to the hostel, chill a bit in the water and get some nice food and let this whole thing like process a little bit. But I didn't take that many videos, mainly because this is just not the place to take many videos. You just have to experience it yourself. So I recommend everyone who is planning to go to Cambodia to definitely come here, like for real. It's heavy, but it's definitely worth it. Made it back to the city, and now it's time for some nice little food.
You like spicy? Try it.
I don't even know what it is.
What I know, I'm not sure.
Yeah, so you like it, but we might not like it.
It's a little bit sweet because it is fisher, so we have to make it sweet. It's
Durian.
Durian? Is that the smelly thing?
Yeah.
You know that.
With the strong scent?
Yeah. Oh, my name will be drained.
Well, I would like to. I will try it too. Yes, I want to try. Yeah, so two. You want this one too? I want to try this
I
one.
recommend this one and this one. Yes.
And this one.
Yeah.
As long as we don't get the shits.
I think.
I'll say
There's no guarantee.
Yeah, there's no guarantee that we'll be fine. But you know, when you try something exotic, you gotta take the risk of not liking it possibly. But I mean, by the looks of it, the locals enjoyed it, so we might as well. Time to find a bowl to get put this stuff in. Hey, extra protein, right?
I think I can't remember if that's the one with no.
Getting food out of a bag is always nice.
This is durian. This is
You
durian.
smell it?
Yeah, I can smell it.
Have you ever eaten durian?
Yeah, I didn't like it. Not durian.
You don't like it?
Tastes alright actually. Very creamy.
First time eating, I guess, durian.
It's quite unique, like aftertaste, I guess.
Oh, actually tastes nice. So this is like the white thing over here. Tastes kind of eggy, but it doesn't really have nothing really that special.
And like
say. And now the
pumpkin part, I guess, right?
pumpkin part now, it's with a bit of egg.
Oh, how does it taste?
It doesn't have that much that special of a taste.
Oh, it just tastes like pumpkin.
Yeah.
That part.
So now it's like with everything. I don't think I really like the egg thingy.
Yeah, it's just like a boiled egg.
No, it's not
But
bad.
it's a weird combination, like
Yeah.
a boiled egg plus sweet.
Not too bad. Now I'm actually on my way to the swimming pool, as I'm actually meeting up with a friend I met on the slow boat a couple of weeks ago, who's actually a Belgian living here in Phnom Penh in Cambodia. So we figured since he likes to swim and I swim sometimes, it would be a cool way to meet up again. So I'm grabbing a tuk-tuk now to get there, as the swimming pool is actually a little bit away from where I live, but it should only be like 10-15 minutes. And then we're gonna have a great time in the pool. I do kind of have to thank this on you, if that's the saying, because you were like very like nice to her and social, so I was just enjoying my food. Because the last thing I was expecting to be doing today is visit a luxurious hotel. What is upstairs?
Yeah.
That's nice to see it.
So, over there is like receptionist.
Ja, daar. Niet ver van
And everyone is a main character in their own story. And we just left that building over there. What a crazy coincidence that was. At the dinner place we were at, this girl started like talking with us about recommending some like food options and what sauce to get and stuff. After having like a little chat with her, she actually invited us to come to the building, and she said that she would show us around, which she actually did. So that was so nice, as we got to visit such a luxurious hotel, which wasn't the plan. I was just about to head home, but I mean, you don't hear me complain. That was actually really cool, a really fun way to wrap up today. It is quite strange, however, that we started there with such heavy material and ended with something so cool and luxurious. It's like two big extremes. Think about it. I think this will definitely be a day that I won't forget, as it was a really interesting one. With that being said, I would like to thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I hope to see you tomorrow, where we will attempt something we attempted before with Lewis, but this time by myself and with hopefully a bit more success. See you tomorrow.